again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janavi Jain and I'm here to make you all smile and entertain. So today's video is gonna be a festive look and it's for Diwali, you can say. And this is how I'm looking after the makeup and all the jewelry and everything. But until then, I wanted to talk about something. So there's a video gonna come, like there's a series gonna come very soon, and I am just so excited for the series. Sorry, but I just want to say, okay, this series means a lot to me, and I'm just so excited for it because I cannot, it's been like 2 months I'm talking about, I'm like thinking about this thing, and yeah, it's gonna happen soon. So like New Year tak मैं wait कर रही हूँ कि like New Year से new fresh look हो and new fresh YouTube channel में कुछ आए. So I'm waiting for it and hope this goes well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Hello you guys, so this is how my skin looks right now, and now we'll start with the festive season look. And yeah, so let's go. So first and foremost, we have to prep our skin obviously with a moisturizer before you apply a foundation. I'm using is the Khadi Naturals moisturizer, and this is how I'll apply it to my skin. So after I'm done with my moisturizer, the next thing I apply is a foundation, and I really love this foundation. This is from Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in 128 Sand shade. I apply directly. You can put it in the palm and apply it that way, any which way it goes. So this is how I apply it, and then I'll just use my brush to blend it. I don't use the blender anymore. I'm really sorry guys. But yeah, this so don't burst crackers guys, like these people, please don't. So yeah, after I done with my foundation, I do is that I apply a concealer. I don't know why I'm being so dramatic, but any which ways, Maybelline Fit Me please can you just stop bursting crackers. So yeah, this is how I apply the Maybelline Fit Me concealer directly on my skin and go on the spots and my darkened areas in there. Okay, so then I'll blend it with the brush itself and go all over my eyes, and then I blend it properly and purely on my eyes and then just on the spots and everywhere. So yeah, then we'll start with the compact powder, which I'm using is a Lakme 928 compact powder. And just I don't use a loosing powder, like I don't have it actually, but then just to set the foundation and the concealer, I use this compact powder. You can use the loosing powder too. So next I use is for my eyes the Swiss Beauty shade 01. I think probably everyone knows my eyeshadow palette now, but these are the colors which I apply and I really love. And I'm gonna apply the red and the golden shade, and then I'm gonna apply it, and this is how it's gonna turn out to be. So after completing the eye look, I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow and apply it on my under eye skin, and this is how it looks. I think it looks so perfect guys. This looks really nice, and the shade of the pinkish, the reddish tone is really giving a nice look with the sari. And look at me being smiling and all. Okay, so the next thing which I'm using is the golden liquid eyeshadow, which is from Swiss Beauty. You can directly apply it or you can just blend it. So here I'm applying on my eyes, but I'm just gonna blend it right now to give a very soft look. I didn't want it to go out of the box, so yeah, I'm gonna blend it like this. I don't know if you have seen Malvika Satlani's video, but this video is purely inspired by her video, the Desi, Glam and Saree. I think I'm gonna use that same for the title too, but I really like the video and her dressing sense and the makeup and everything, so it's really inspired by her. So thank you, Malvika. The saree is not gonna be okay. This is how I look, and I think I did a very perfect job. Why this saree cannot sit in one place, guys? Oh, okay. So yeah, so now I'm gonna apply is a blush, contour and highlight. So it's a Savannah Colors palette. This saree. I know you can just see my earrings are looking so amazing, but yeah, we'll go up very out of the box with a blush because I just want to give a pinky poo look. So the blush part is going to be very much in this. You can see me it. I just wanted to go with the blush very too much, on the nose and my cheeks area and everywhere I can just look nice and pinky poo. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is apply contour, but I just don't want to apply too much because it was just hide my blush. So I just little bit of you can see like it cannot be even seen, so it's okay. So that's how I'm gonna apply. These boys or girls, I don't know who, but they won't stop bursting crackers. Can you just stop it? But anyway, this is how I look, and I really love my look until now. This looks so pretty. Oh my god. So now we'll go with the highlighter, and this is how it looks. It looks so amazing. Oh my god. So nice. So pretty. And the next thing which I'll use is the eyebrow pencil. I am not a pro in eyebrow section, but just to give you guys a look and a little bit of just a very decent eyebrow thing. I'm not a pro. I'm really sorry if I did it wrong, but this is how it turned out to be, and I think it looks nice. Yeah, I just did it well. So yeah, cool. Okay, can you look at my earrings? It looks so pretty. But this is, I'm using a Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and I really like the mascara, but it is just waterproof, so I don't like it, but I'm sorry. But in which ways, this is how it looks. I don't know how all the bloggers get like long lashes. Some people apply fake lashes, but that's okay. But some people don't apply the fake lashes, but still they get a very nice happy curl full lashes. I don't know how, but yeah. Anyways, this is how I look, and it's how my lashes look. I think it's pretty well. Cool. So next thing which I'm gonna use is the golden eyeliner. I wanted to go out of the box because I don't use golden eyeliner, but I just wanted to set you free. So this is how I apply it, and I really like the outcome of it. It really looks so pretty and so glammy. Oh my god, look at it. It looks so nice. So this is how my golden eyeliner looks like, and it looks so pretty. Oh my god, I'm blushing. Yeah. So yeah, next thing I'm gonna the saree. It's just gonna do a little bit. Okay, So smiling. And next thing I'm gonna use is a Nykaa mini lipstick. If you haven't seen my Nykaa haul video, I will sit in the I button there above me. But yeah, we'll go with the lipstick, and it's a notorious red shade. So we'll go and apply this one. I don't apply red lipsticks much because I don't like dark lipsticks, but you know, just to go with the glam look, I really wanted to test this out. But I think this turned out to be very good, and I think I can try using this. Like, this looks pretty well on me. It looks nice. Oh my god, this really looks nice. How do you guys think? Like comment on below your reviews. I like it. I totally love it. This is how I look, and being dramatic all over the internet, all over in front of my phone. I'm just, you know, like, hey guys, I'm looking, is this for you all? Being dramatic and being, hey, smiling, adaye, uff ye adaye, ye sab bas aapke liye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like the video and if you like the makeup and the festive look, don't forget to like this video and share and subscribe to my channel. Share with your family and friends for this Diwali look, and ignore the voices, I'm really sorry. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and follow me on Instagram, this is my handle. And yeah, well, I'll see you all next time. Okay, until then, ta-da!